How to become a crypto millionaire in 2 years. Now, guys, we can't guarantee anything, okay? Note this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only, but I can give you the best chance, in my opinion, of how to get there, so let's get straight into the video. First, what we're going to be talking about, guys, is blue chips. Okay, blue chip stocks. Now, a blue chip stock is a huge company with an excellent reputation. These are typically large, well-established, and financially sound companies that have operated for many years and that have dependable earnings, often paying dividends to investors. Now, a blue chip stock typically has a market capitalization in billions, all right? It's generally the market leader or among the top 3 companies in its sector. And it is more often than not a household name. For all these reasons, blue chip stocks are among the most popular to buy among investors. Some examples of blue chip stocks are IBM Corp, Coca-Cola, and Boeing Co., things like that, okay? Now let's jump over to how that works with Bitcoin. So investing in Bitcoin can seem complicated, but trading Bitcoin requires an account at a service or an exchange. So a safe storage practice are recommended. Now, Bitcoin investors need a cryptocurrency exchange account, personal identification documents. If you are using a Know Your Client, which is what they call KYC, platform, a secure connection to the internet, a method of payment, and a personal wallet outside of the exchange account. Valid methods of Bitcoin payment include bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, and it is actually possible to get Bitcoin at specialized ATMs via P2P exchanges. Now, if you're jumping over to Ethereum, the Ethereum blockchain token is known as ETH, aka ETH, and is one of the world's top 3 cryptocurrencies as of May 2022. Now, it has the second highest market value at around 246 billion, falling behind Bitcoin's roughly 571 billion and leading Tether's third place market cap of about $75 billion. Now, while cryptocurrency assets shrank in 2018 to 2019 from the December 2017 peak, the market in crypto roared back up to new highs throughout 2021. Now, there has been a large pullback through 2022. There is still a great deal of interest in the space as the market continues to see innovation. ETH's value was trading at around $2,000 in May 2022 and down from November 2021 highs approaching $5,000. The primary appeal to the digital currency is its integration with the Ethereum network. Essentially, ETH is the driving force behind the capabilities of the ETH network overall. So with the Ethereum network offering vast opportunities for development, ETH is actually an investment that many see as more promising than Bitcoin. So Ethereum is also backed by multiple Fortune 500 companies and is being used by multiple financial institutions. So for all of those reasons and more, many investors are rapidly adding ETH to their portfolios. Now, you can actually incorporate Ethereum into your investing, okay? And that's very easy to do if you carry on through this article, okay? Go to Investopedia. Accounts for any of the coins that you want to get into. Ethereum, all you got to do is show you actually how to get a platform to buy it, to create an account, deposit currency, begin trading, actually withdraw ETH to your wallet. The same with Bitcoin like we spoke on and the blue chip stocks. That's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please support us by hitting that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.